Doctors in Meghalaya joined a nationwide protest today against the rape and murder of a doctor in Kolkata, demanding exemplary punishment for the culprits and calling for a central law to ensure the safety of medical professionals. Starting at 6 a.m., outpatient and non-essential services came to a near halt as doctors across hospitals in Shillong and other parts of the state went on a day-long strike organized by the Indian Medical Association. Doctors assembled on hospital premises, wearing black badges and displaying placards to press for their demands. Some of the shots from Woodland Hospital Shillong, Nazareth Hospital Shillong, Bethany Hospital Shillong, Supercare Hospital Shillong witnessed similar protests by the doctors. At Negrims, doctors gathered in large numbers to protest. The strike severely impacted healthcare services across Meghalaya.
We appeal to our governments, state and central, to come up with very strong rules to bring fast justice against all the victims who face violence day in and day out in our country during their professional commitments.
So we are all protesting against this, and we hope that justice is brought and all involved, the doctors, the politicians and whoever are behind all this, the nexus that is there, it should be brought to book and justice should be given.
Whatever has happened, it is something very tragic and unfortunate, and it is in the harshest of terms. We should at least say that these things should not be repeated ever.
Over 350